Hey, it's Fuzzy. All right, today we're gonna use this sink plunger. I've had a sink that's been plugging for a while now. I received this from a sponsor. We're gonna give it a try and see if we can make a good collaboration here and go from there. All right, let's get this sink going here and see if we can get it to. Now you can see that the stop is open. So we're gonna run some water in here and see if it yeah, there it goes. Now it's building up. You can see how it's building up, building up, building up. And there it goes more. And it's getting fuller and fuller. So obviously I got a stoppage in there somewhere. We're going to see if we can get it punched through. I'm going to put the stop down and get some water in there and see if we can build that up and see what we can do. Okay, I'm using cold water. I should probably use hot water. Okay, now let's open that stop and give that a plunge. Now this thing is made of plastic. It seems like it will seal pretty good on the sink itself. It is quite deep, so it'll carry some good air in there for a good plunge. Nice handle on here, and we can get her down on it and go from there. All right, here we go. Let's open that up. All right, look at the stuff that come out of there. Okay, let's see if we can get that. We'll just put some water inside there like that, the plunger. Open that sucker up. Oof, that is some dirty. All right, well, it's working. It's definitely punching through it. Making a mess though. All right, look at that. Oh, guess we could do it again. See how that's building up? Okay, let's give her another shot. Okay. All right, we'll get that in there. All right. Oh yeah, that's way better now. I think what's going to have to happen eventually is we're going to have to take the P-trap off and see if there's a major break in there. But all in all, I think she's good for now, and the plunger did its job, and we'll open some of that up and let the water drain out. All right, that's my review. Thanks for coming.